We're live here on Thursday, August the 3rd. I'm James Spann, and we'll be able to mainly do just a current weather update because of ongoing severe storms. So let's get right to it. And again, if you're watching this, we're doing it live at 2:46 on Thursday afternoon. And there's a look at the batch of severe storms rolling through parts of North Alabama. These storms originated earlier this afternoon over the Tennessee Valley. You can see they're steadily dropping to the south, and we have multiple severe thunderstorm warnings that's currently in effect. We have severe thunderstorm warnings in effect now for parts of Lamar, Fayette, Walker, Jefferson, St. Clair, Etowah, and Calhoun counties. And the main concern, damaging straight line winds, the winds along the line in spots, not for the entire line, but in spots, could exceed 50 miles an hour. And that obviously is enough to knock down trees and power lines. That's the main reason these warnings are being posted. And again, technically to be severe, the winds have to gust to 58 miles an hour. So again, a line of storms producing strong winds rolling through parts of North Alabama this afternoon. We'll kind of take you through the line. The line begins in West Alabama along Highway 17, a little south of Sulligent. And the line extends through northern Fayette County around Hubbardsville. And also, we should note within the line, you've got just thousands of cloud-to-ground lightning strikes, which is common with summer storms. But on the leading edge, on that gust front, you're going to have potential for, again, winds that might exceed 50 miles an hour. So northern Lamar and northern Fayette counties, the storms will be pushing into the center of Fayette probably by 3 o'clock or so. In Walker County, the storms covering Jasper, places like Townley, Cordova, Sipsey, Empire, Doris, Summerton, Oakman, Parrish. And again, the same thing, the chance of strong straight-line winds. In Jefferson County storms, the leading edge coming through Graysville, Adamsville, Gardendale, Mount Olive, and Pinson. And the line of storm should be in downtown Birmingham by 3 o'clock or so. And again, I'm live at 2:48. If you're watching this later, this all happened in the past. This is basically a live update here. So again, 2:48 storms approaching downtown Birmingham. And then over into St. Clair County, thunderstorms from Odenville over to the Shoal Creek Valley and Ragland. And then in Calhoun County and Etowah County, storms extend from near Hoax Bluff down toward Alexandria and Ohatchee. And those will be in Anniston fairly soon. And the good news, the storms are moving along at a pretty good clip here, so they're not going to stay in one place for any long position of time. But again, the main concern, those strong winds. We have seen tree and power line damage with the line as it passed through many communities earlier today. And again, these will march steadily down to the south. And we should note there is a severe thunderstorm warning, a watch that's in effect for that part of Alabama that is in effect until 8 o'clock Central Time tonight. In fact, what I'll do here is put that warning, that watch up. You'll be able to see that. This is the severe thunderstorm watch in effect until 8 o'clock Central, 9 o'clock Eastern Time tonight. That includes basically that I-20, I-59 corridor, Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Gadsden, counties as far south as Bibb, Chilton, Coosa, Tallapoosa, and Chambers. And the storm should weaken as they move farther to the south later this evening. And again, the main concern, damaging straight-line winds. We will see a marginal risk of severe storms tomorrow. There's evidence there could be another system like this that might come through even tomorrow morning. In fact, let me throw up the Day 2 outlook here from the Storm Prediction Center, kind of doing these things on the fly. This is the Day 2, and you can see that marginal risk tomorrow. Basically south of a line from near Russellville to Birmingham to Auburn, Opelika, and Phoenix City. And again, the storms could pack a punch, and it might be a morning type event tomorrow. There's evidence in modeling there could be this batch going on now and a second batch tomorrow morning. And then the basic idea, and I'll just talk you through this because, again, I can't stay here long because I have to do television duties as well. But in terms of the weekend, we're going to mention widely scattered showers on Saturday, and then a better chance of scattered showers and storms. The coverage will likely be higher on Sunday, but even on both days, not raining everywhere. So again, if you're just joining us, we're live at 2:50 Central Time here on Thursday, August 3rd. We are watching a line of severe thunderstorms rolling through parts of north central Alabama with the potential for strong straight-line winds. And again, we have severe thunderstorm warnings in effect now for parts of Lamar, Fayette, Walker, Jefferson, St. Clair, Etowah, and Calhoun counties. And additional warnings could be required as the storms drop on down to the south. And again, if you're in downtown Birmingham, of course, you can look north. You can see probably some pretty nasty shelf clouds. All along the line, we've got shelf clouds in advance of that. And again, we see no tornado threat here. But hey, listen, I say this all the time. If the winds are going to knock down trees and power lines, does it really matter if it's a small tornado or straight line winds? You might want to just kind of be away from windows and be in kind of a good sheltered place in the middle of a building while these things pass. Then again, they won't last long. That's the one thing about it. Typically, most summer storms don't move quickly, but these are, thank goodness, dropping to the south at a pretty good clip. And obviously, that is going to break the heat. In fact, you can see up in Cullman, they're down to 72. After the storms passed, Haleyville down to 82. In advance of the line, we've got 90s farther to the south. And again, this is another look at the watch warning map, and it's kind of a mess there with all those colors. But the counties in pink, that's the severe thunderstorm watch, in effect until 8 o'clock Central Time tonight, the watch you see there. The counties in green, that is a flash flood watch, in effect through tomorrow for parts of North Alabama. And again, with the second potential massive storms coming through late tonight, maybe tomorrow morning, that could create some flooding issues. But again, we've had no problems today because the storm's moving along so quickly. And all the other colors, that's related to heat, which is what you expect here in August. There's a look at the numbers. You can see some mid-90s down across the southern part of the state. So again, I can't stay long today because of the TV duties with storms coming in, but you can see a line of severe storms marching down through parts of central Alabama today. And again, they are producing strong straight-line winds, maybe enough to knock down some trees and power lines. And just in terms of the timing of this, they'll be in downtown Birmingham by 3. It's 2:53 right now. That's in just a matter of minutes. If you're in Tuscaloosa, the line will likely be in there by 3:30. The storms have come through Gadsden. They should be in Anniston, again, probably by 3:15, a matter of minutes away. And once they get south of Interstate 20, the storms could begin to weaken a bit. With the air a smidgen more stable there, but still, they could still pack a punch and produce a lot of wind gust on down to the south. So that's going to wrap it up here. Again, we'll have another full weather briefing video tomorrow morning about 5:15. We'll be posting notes on the blog. That is alabamawx.com. And, of course, we invite you to watch us over on the television side. That's ABC 3340 News. Will be live at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great afternoon, and God bless.